In today's video, I'm going to teach you Untitled. We'll walk through how to effortlessly navigate and use the Hostinger H panel to edit your website from start to finish, so you feel confident making updates anytime. First, log into your Hostinger H panel. Think of this as your control center for everything related to your hosting and site management. Once you're in, head to the website section. Here, you'll see a list of your domains neatly organized. Find the site you want to work on, then click Edit Website next to it. That single click opens the Website Builder editor. As the editor loads, you'll see a clean drag and drop workspace designed to make editing simple and intuitive, even if you don't have a technical background. You can interact directly with elements on the page. To change text or images, just click the block you want to edit. A small menu will appear with options to adjust the content, so you can update headlines, paragraphs, and visuals right in place without hunting through complex settings. Aim for clear, concise text and high-quality images to keep your site looking professional. If you want to change the structure of a page or add new ones, you're covered. Rearranging the layout is as easy as dragging elements to where you want them. To expand your site, open the page panel to add and manage new pages. This is helpful for creating sections like About, Services, or a dedicated contact page, giving your visitors a clear path to the information they need. Next, personalize the look and feel of your site. In the design options, you can fine-tune fonts, colors, and other visual elements. Choose a consistent font pairing and a color palette that reflects your brand identity. Small adjustments here go a long way toward building trust and making your site memorable. To enhance functionality, consider adding integrations such as contact forms, maps, and social media icons. These can be dragged into your layout like any other element. They're more than decorative touches. They make it easier for visitors to reach you, find your location, and connect with your brand across platforms. When you're happy with your changes, it's time to publish. Look to the top right corner for the Publish button. Clicking it will save your work and update your live site with the edits you've made, and that's it. By following these steps, you're ready to manage and update your website on Hostinger's platform with confidence. The more you explore the editor, the faster and smoother your workflow will become.